What is up, guys? Allie with Taradel here, and I'm going to explain for you in about 2 minutes why Facebook is such a huge deal for advertisers. Okay, first, billions of people are on Facebook, including your current and future customers. About 70% of Americans spend an hour per day on Facebook, and 88% of them do it on their mobile phone. Now think like an advertiser. This means you can reach your target audience whenever, wherever. The total awareness, the branding, the leads, and the sales. You can get it all right now. One more thing, and not a lot of people realize this. Since 2014, Facebook has been changing their algorithm so that non-paid posts reach fewer and fewer people. Now when you post on Facebook without a budget, you only reach about 6% of your page's likes. That's probably why the average small business now spends between $500 and $2,500 a month on Facebook. Okay, so what now? Do you go all in? Do you start slow? What's next? Here's my recommendation. Start with the two-pronged approach of running Facebook and direct mail ads. Why? Because direct mail is still the best thing at driving cash flow and making deep impressions. But you'll also get the impression multiplier of Facebook ads. This will cover all of your bases and give you some time to collect data and optimize everything, while still making money. And of course, Taradel's marketing platform does it all. In minutes, you can target the right audience, create offers, and launch simple direct mail plus Facebook campaigns. All the design, setup, and distribution is done for you. Thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We make targeted marketing easy.